Hey Boy, I'm gonna show you how some people uh, lower the noise, and also I'm gonna show you how some people do put a storage in front, but it's not really recommended because it's not the actual thing. I'm just gonna show you how they I have seen it through Facebook and in YouTube. So first we try to take out this cover. So there's like a latch, clicking latch here too. See there, boop, you click, so that's the one, and the other one is there to that hole, and then you just pull it out forward like that, and this clicks out. Okay, so next thing they do for them to lessen the noise or take out it, so this is the low sound. There we go. This makes the sound, humming sound, if it's below 30 kilometers per hour. Some people disconnect this, and some people put some duct tape. I think it's just going to be exposed, the wiring here, but I mean, doesn't, I don't know if it's good, not. Other option they do is cover this with duct tape. Again, it's not recommended because it's like modifying it. I'm just showing it to you, but I'll bring it back again. So with this one, they get a container, a 25-liter container. You could choose Bunnings or Officeworks and put it on top here. And with that one, see, it just sits on top of it. So this supports this one, and this one supports the other one. While this is the 25 liters, some people also do a 30 liters, but going that way. But you have to be careful. They have to be careful about the line. Again, I'm telling you, it's not really the recommended one. So some people put table storage in there, and with this one, it just closes, and that's it. So till next time, EV Pinoy, enjoy your ride.